Ladies and gentlemen, today's a very special day because in today's video, my students Khalid and Muhammad just reached their first $150,000 on their high-ticket e-commerce store, and we want to record this journey at just 3 months into the program just because I think it's very important for you to see that anything is possible. Legitimately, two 17-year-old kids from Saudi Arabia were able to start an LLC in the United States, find suppliers, run ads, and scale it to the moon from the blueprint that we shared with them. Just goes to show that if you really want to make this work, you can. And they're only getting started. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be very frank with you today. The gap between the rich and the poor is only increasing. And from the looks of where the world is going, your time is running out. If you don't learn e-commerce, if you don't take advantage of this digital gold rush, then you're going to miss out on an opportunity of a lifetime. And that's okay if you want to stay a brokey. But if you want to learn more about high-ticket dropshipping, and you have the capital to invest into one-on-one coaching, check out our mentorship application down below. If you want to learn high-ticket dropshipping for free, we also have a free YouTube guide on high-ticket dropshipping completely free. All of the links are down below as well. And with that being said, enjoy today's video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of an amazing case study. So we have a good friend over here, two students, Muhammad and Khalid. Say what's up, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up?
Hey. And so this is a very special moment because Khalid and Muhammad just hit 100,000 in just 2 months into the coaching program. They took a lot of major sauce from King Trevor over here. And so, Trevor, how did this all start? How did you get them up and scaling up that fast?
Yeah, so Khalid and Mohammed, can you kind of tell us how we even got started, just for some background and how we essentially met?
Yeah, sure. So we got into high-ticket e-com in July, I believe. We opened a store, but then I came across high-ticket e-com, Trevor's account. Then I messaged him with my store, and he told me that the store's angle wasn't very well. So I told him we can get on a niche verification call, if that's possible, and he said it was okay. Then we got on a call and he verified our new niche. And then we launched the first full month of the store was in December, and we did like a 20K in revenue.
Did you guys start off with low ticket ecom? Yeah, right? Or no?
No, we didn't. We actually had an email marketing agency.
You had an email marketing agency.
Yeah.
What was that like? What were some of the bottlenecks that you guys faced from there?
We actually was just getting started with the email marketing agency, but then I came across high-ticket e-com and it sounded like a better business model for us. And then we got into it.
Were you guys able to apply anything from email into high-ticket e-com?
Yeah, absolutely. Khaled is the GOAT in email marketing.
Got you.
Okay, they got some saucy email flows all set up on their store.
Yeah.
Facts.
40% of their revenue is from email.
I think we made like 140K from just emails.
You're lying.
Just the flows we made. No, for real, yeah. It's like I think 40% of the revenue or something.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So you got started with email marketing, and then you kind of transitioned into high ticket. What kind of got you into starting a business online to kind of begin with? Did you always have a passion for business, or did you wanted to do it because of another cause?
Yeah, since we were 16, we were into business. We wanted to go into business, but we didn't have the age. There was a limit, you could start the business at 18, not 16. So it was really hard for us to really start a business. But since we turned 18, we went all in on the business, and we actually found out high-ticket e-com at the beginning when we turned 18. So it was at the perfect timing, and we went all in, and yeah, it was the perfect business we got into.
Yeah, what would you say is the biggest appeal that you saw with high-ticket e-com? Because I know a lot of people that were doing low-ticket e-com saw high-ticket e-com as a way to a more sustainable business model. But since you really didn't kind of do ecom before, what made you go with the high ticket side instead of the low ticket side? Because you didn't really have experience with either
Yeah,
one.
yeah, we came across low ticket as well at the beginning, but we
Mm-hmm.
saw that people were just testing products and their fingers were crossed. It's not like a real business. So when we came across high ticket ecom, we saw that it's a sustainable and a real business you can get into. So yeah, that's why we got into high ticket ecom. Sounded like a real business.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. And I would say like you worked with me like on Twitter back just a couple months ago, and then invited you to the High Tech Ecom Launchpad program. And after you joined, what were some of the results that you were able to, generate, working with me one on one?
Yeah, so actually before joining, we did like 20K in revenue in December.
Mm-hmm.
And after the first week of joining in January, we did about 10K the first week. And
Mm-hmm.
then the first full month in the program, which is January, we did about 51K.
Mm-hmm.
And in February, we did 65K.
Wow.
And yeah, that's it.
Amazing. Yeah, I guess the growth month over month, and we should definitely see a bigger month this March
Yeah,
for
definitely.
sure. And I would say like what kind of like help and insights were, I guess, the biggest, needle movers with your business, because you went from 20K months to 50K in just 1 month. What were the biggest levers that you kind of did in your business to kind
Yeah,
of speed up?
so the major one was actually Google Ads.
Mm-hmm.
We were like, it's the first time we used Google Ads, so we didn't know how to basically use it. As soon as we got into the Launchpad, you immediately gave us an auditing video, like you sent us a long video, you audited our ads and all that stuff. So, and as soon as we applied what you recommended in the video, and like the first week, as Mohammed said, we did like 21K, I guess, in the first week. So yeah,
Yeah,
paid advertising, the ads is basically the needle mover for us.
perfect. Yeah, combined with your store, which has a lot of B2B orders that are, hopefully you guys will close one very soon. It's like it's a perfect match. You have high intent traffic and then you have very high orders. It's just
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
perfect match.
We get like B2B inquiries like every 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, it's like see a message
Yeah,
from you guys every other day. $100,000 order
yeah,
in the pipeline.
yeah.
Perfect. So I would say like one last question would be like, where are you currently at now, and like where do you want to be at in the next 3 to 6 months with your business?
So now we're currently spending about 100 to 125 a day,
Mm-hmm.
which is not a lot. And yeah, we're trying to really scale that to maybe 150 to 100
Mm-hmm.
gradually. And in the SEO side of things, we're just getting started. So we should see results by 3 to 6 months. We're doing that on a daily basis, adding blog posts and all that.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we're gonna start, I think, B2B outreach as well, as there are like a lot of potential in our niche. And I think it's a thing we must take action on, and I think it will really be worth it.
Perfect. Yeah, do really like how you guys are progressing. Like it's gradual growth month over month. You're not like trying to scale crazy amounts and then being in a bad position. Uh, and I guess for people that are kind of outside of the program and high tech ecom in general, what would you say to those like outside? Maybe they're just getting started with business for the first time. Would you kind of recommend high tech ecom launchpad program to them? And what has your experience been overall?
Yeah, so actually, since I took about maybe 3 to 4 months until I got my first sale.
Hmm.
And looking back, I was just thinking to myself, what if I had a coach along the way? What if I had a one-on-one coach like telling me and guiding me through the way? I could have got these results in like 2 to 4 weeks if I put the work in, and even faster if I put more work in the hours. So yeah, 100% it's worth it. You can even like get like what you spend on coaching in like a couple of sales. So definitely something worth it.
What made Trevor like stand out as a coach amongst all of the other ones out there? Like, what made him stand out for you guys?
I think Trevor resonated with me and Mohammed. Like since we DM'd him and all that stuff, he was very friendly with us. Like he was welcoming and all that. I think it was a gut decision that we went with Trevor,
Mm-hmm.
and it was the best decision we made.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it, brother. So yeah, with that being said, we'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys for hopping on this quick interview. Really appreciate you guys. You guys were one of the best students we have so far, and keep crushing it as always.
High ticket
Yeah,
e-commerce.
thank you very much, guys.
Go.
Okay, let's